Welcome to my channel. Achari Chicken Curry with gravy. 1.5 kilogram chicken washed and cleaned. Spices. Two medium-size onion slices and make a paste. Tamarind pulp 1 bowl. Grind all these and make a puree. Vinegar sirka 1 tablespoon. Red food color. Coriander dhania patty 1 bunch. All these ingredients are required. Onion paste. Puree. Let's start making. Marinate chicken with red food color. Keep this aside. Place a pan on the stove on medium flame and add cooking oil and let the oil heated up. Now add spices. Stir it for few minutes. Add onions paste. Stir fry it continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. Put ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry it. Put regular spices. Keep stirring. Add puree. Stir it well. Oil is getting separated. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Stir it well. Now add marinated chicken. Stir it well properly. Add 2 glasses of water. Keep stirring it. Cook it till the chicken is tenderized. Chicken is tenderized. Now add tamarind pulp. Keep stirring it for 15 minutes. Squeeze half lemon juice. Put chopped coriander leaves. Stir it for more 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and dish out for serving. Delicious Achari chicken is ready to eat with chapatis or rice. Thank you for watching.